Hey Rubies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY FashionNova top for you guys. And sorry, I'm using the Snapchat filter. I've had this makeup on for a while, so I'm looking kind of shabby right now. So this is what y'all get. If you want to see how I made the top, just keep on watching. So you want to start by picking out your favorite crop top, or in my case, a crop top you're willing to lose because you don't care about it. Then you're going to want to find the center of that crop top and to just use a marker or an eyeliner to make a line in the center, as I'm gonna do here. Then you want to find the zones comfortable with you beside the lines to make the cut. Those were my comfortable zones where my nipples won't be showing or anything. Now you're gonna get your thread, your needle, pair of scissors, and your bling string, because I don't know what else to call that, but yeah, that thing. And now we begin. So you just want to start by folding your crop top in half just to ensure that you got the center line correctly. So that's what I was doing here. And since I saw that it was okay, I'm just gonna move on to cutting the crop top now. So as you can see, the center line isn't really important. You're just cutting the two lines beside the center line because that's what's important. And then you're just going to get rid of that fabric because it's not necessary. Now we're going to move on to stitching the ends so as to make it as neat as possible. And like, if you don't know how to sew, I can't help you with that, but I'm sure there are videos out there that can show you how to do that. But yeah, just know that we're going to sew both ends so they look, like it's straight out of factory, like an all neat and stuff. And I'm just like aligning it so it looks neat. And now we sew. So we're just gonna do the same thing to the other flap, and then at the end of it you should have two neat looking edges. Now I'm going to place some dots where I want to pierce the holes. I'm making 4 dots on each side. As you can see, I messed up the third one, so I'm gonna go back and work through that a bit. But yeah, I was basically just making 4 dots, and there I decided where I actually wanted my third dot to be. I'm going to use the pointy thing on the nail clipper to pierce the holes because I didn't have anything else to use, so I was just innovating at this point. And it was a bit difficult, but it got the job done. Now that we have all our holes, we're going to line up our bling string, and it's just like in that shoelace pattern. So that's what I'm doing here. And now you're just going to weave that in. Like, you're literally just doing it like you'd lace your shoe up. That's just the pattern you want to use, and that's just what's going on right here. But sometimes it was a little bit difficult, so I had to go back in with the pointy thing and stretch the hole a bit. But eventually I got the hang of it. Okay, so don't judge my hair or the way I look right now. Like, it's been a long night, so just pardon my appearance. But now for the reveal. Ready? Okay. Get my titties together. My cha-chas are like super big. and you would not wear this top with a bra, but considering that I chose this crappy, you know, crop top to use, that's what you get. So obviously, like, it can do, it can make, you know, impossible. So yeah, obviously my today's are way too big.